Hey guys, Jacob here.
Jessica here.
So welcome back to week 2 of our level 2 training program. So I hope you guys have been keeping up from week 1. So for this week, again we'll be progressing to 1 additional round with 5 additional repetitions. So a total of 5 rounds and 25 repetitions for each of the 6 exercises that we're doing. Alright, shall we get started? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, for the first exercise, bicycle crunches. So again, you'll need a mat. Lie down, facing up. Knees bent, legs up in the air, focusing on your abdominal muscles. Trying to bring your opposite elbow towards your opposite knee in a cycling fashion. 7, good. So notice that she's twisting from her body. 12, very good. A total of 25 repetitions. Do it right, your abs is gonna hurt. Good, going. Good, that's 18. That's 20, last 5. 1, 2. Elbows towards the knees. 4, last 1. And relax. Okay, for the next exercise, a body weight sumo squat. Okay, so this week you'll be doing this with your arms in, close to your body. And start. 1, 2. Again, be mindful of your posture. It has to be upright. And be mindful of your feet. Again, it should be glued to the ground. Giving more pressure slightly on the heels to activate more of your butt muscle. Total of 25 repetitions. Very good. 18, 19, 20, last 5 more. 1, very good. Posture is good. Last one, and relax. Next, full roll, you need a mat to do. Okay, so lie facing down. Okay, begin by raising your body up and drawing your elbows back to squeeze your upper back muscles. So again, be mindful of the movement. It should only occur from your upper back region. Lifting your upper body up. This is a very good back exercise. Good. A total of 25 repetitions. Elbows back. Elbows forward. Notice that the head is not moving as well. Last 6, 20, 5 more. 1, very good. 22, 23, 24, last 1. And relax. Okay, next we'll be doing the reverse lunges. Okay, a body weight reverse lunges. And begin. 2, 3, 4, very good. So make sure when you do a lunge, your knees shouldn't be traveling forward. Bring your hips backwards to activate the muscles here. And stand. Focusing on your front leg. Good. Over there. Constantly working on your front leg. Last 5. 1, 2, very good. 3, 4, last 1. Okay, now we switch over. Okay, from a side view. Again, you'll notice that my knees are not traveling forward. Again, your front foot is glued to the ground. And she's working her right leg very hard. Focusing on your glutes and your front thigh. 7, nice and slow, 12, 13, 14, 15, last 10, 18, 19, 20, 5 more. Okay, well done. Next on to the push-ups, body weight push-ups.
Start with your plank position. Make sure you engage your core. And go. It's 1, 2, 3. You work on your chest muscle. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 more, 11, 12, wrist firm on the ground, elbow always same direction, good, 15, 16, down, stretch out the chest muscle and push with your chest muscle, 18, 19, good one, 5 more guys, let's go, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Last one, we'll move to the mountain climber. Jacob will do the exercise with us. Let's go. Focus on your core muscle. We'll do a 35 seconds for this week. Yes, you can challenge yourself by go as fast as you can. Bring your knee to your chest. Yes. While you're doing this, you want to make sure your body is still parallel to the ground. Do not let the hips drop or bring it up too high. 20 more seconds. Good. Keep it going. If it's starting to feel tired, you can go slow or challenge yourself to go really, really fast. Sprint, Jacob, sprint. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and that's it. Good job.
Oh,
Woohoo!
very good. Okay, so that's the end of the workout. If you are doing it right, you're gonna breathe hard like myself.
Yes.
That's what I call effort. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the workout. Feel free to leave any comments below, should you have any questions. Do enjoy, stay safe, hope to see you soon. Take care.